In this video, I'm going to show you how to check Amazon gift card balance without redeeming it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to Amazon.com and make sure that you're logged in into your account. Once you go to your account, of course, you can simply go here to the customer service and make sure once you go and click on something else. Of course, the only way to know the balance on a gift card without redeeming it is simply by contacting Amazon customer support or redeem it to your account and then check your balance. So all you need to do as an example, you can go here to gifts and or like just go and just type here or click on get help with something else because basically we need to chat with a human right away because the computer cannot help us. So I need more help as an example. So chat with us as an example. And all you need to do here and click is connect with an associate. And here as an example, you'll have to enter your info that you want. And simply after that, just type the code once chatting with them because they will ask you for. And but of course, they won't always disclose the balance without adding it to your account. So not always they will tell you how much in it without adding it to your account. So sometimes they will add it to your account. So be cautious with that and make sure to tell them before even giving them the code. Tell them that I don't want this gift card to be added into my account. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.